Your brain is programmed to keep you broke, but you can rewire it. Science calls it neuroplasticity. The rich aren't born different, they rewired their brains. Most people repeat poverty habits, complaining, blaming others, chasing quick dopamine, living in scarcity. Millionaires repeat wealth habits, long-term thinking, delayed gratification, asset building, surrounding themselves with higher earners. Every day you choose comfort or wealth. If you don't rewire your brain, you will repeat your poverty cycle forever. Start now. Control your mind. Build your empire.